Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log in to Yandex ID on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course you just have to open your Yandex application over here. And after it will be served for this homepage. Now just go ahead to this three slice icon at the top right. I'm gonna tap on it, and after go ahead to this settings options. Now tap on this login button. I'm gonna tap on it, and in this page you just have to tap on this account, which is your account that you have logged in before. But if your account or your ID never log in this phone, you just have to tap on this log into another account, and after you just have to type your email address or your phone number. After, just fill it for your password. But here, because I already logged in before, I'm gonna tap on my account right here. I'm gonna tap on it. I'm gonna tap on this password button, which is my Yandex ID password. Yeah guys, here I'm gonna fill it first. If it is done, tap on this next button at the bottom. Now you just have to wait for a second, and yeah, this is for the verification code that's sent to your phone number. I'm gonna tap on this don't save here guys for my password on this phone. This is the verification code. Now you just have to wait for a second again, and after I'm gonna tap on this remind me later for the settings and privacy, and when it's served this pop-up which is your Yandex ID, it's already logged in guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.